Hello friends, this is Abhishek and I hope you all are doing great. Today we are going to discuss one of the biggest web browsers in the world, and that is none other than Google Chrome. Apart from Google Chrome, there are other web browsers like Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Opera, but the widely used web browser in the world is Google Chrome. There are many reasons for this web browser to be more successful because it is supported by Google, and Google has many products like Gmail, Google Pay, Google Assistants that makes it more productive and more powerful. Apart from this, there are many other likable features associated with this web browser that makes it more interesting. So we are going to discuss many of the interesting features which will help you ease your job and make you work efficiently. So without any further ado, let's get into the PC. Let's move on to our first topic, how to group the tabs. If you're like me, then multiple tabs will be opened in your web browser. So how you can group them into one single tab, that we'll learn. अगर आप देख सकते हैं इसमें बहुत सारे tabs खुले हुए हैं. So मैं पहले tab पे क्लिक करूंगा, I'll press shift and आप जिस tab को include करना चाहते हैं उस group में आप उस particular tab तक आ जाइए and then press that particular tab और right click कर दीजिए. Once you click right click, third option will be add tabs to a new group. आप इस पर click कर दीजिए. You just name the name of the group. I'll put INP and you can change the color of the group as well. So आप उसको कलर चेंज कर दीजिए और क्लिक कर दीजिए. So the moment you click, आप देख सकते हैं ये सारे एक ब्लू कलर की लाइन आ चुकी है एंड ये सारे एक ग्रुप में आ चुके हैं. So आपको पता कैसे चलेगा कि ये सारे एक ग्रुप में आ चुके हैं? What you need to do, just click on INP or the name of the tab group which you have given. Just click on that thing and everything will be squeezed in that particular tab. आप इसको जैसे ही दोबारा क्लिक करेंगे इट विल शो द एंटायर सेट ऑफ टैब्स विच आर इंक्लूडेड इन दैट पर्टिकुलर ग्रुप. इफ यू वांट टू इंक्लूड मोर टैब्स इनटू इट, आप पहले इसको खोल लीजिए, इंपॉर्टेंट पे क्लिक कर लीजिए सो दैट everything is visible. Now what you can do, the tab which you want to include in that particular group, just select that tab and bring it inside the group. You can see this tab has been included in the group as well. अगर आप फिर से ग्रुप को स्क्वीज करेंगे तो देख सकते हैं कि that tab has been included. So now if you want to take that particular tab out of the group, आप कुछ नहीं, राइट क्लिक करिए एंड रिमूव फ्रॉम द ग्रुप ऑप्शन को चूज कर लीजिए. सो इन दैट केस वो ग्रुप से बाहर आ जाएगा. इफ यू वांट टू डिसॉल्व द ग्रुप, जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दैट नेम विच यू हैव गिवन फॉर दैट ग्रुप, राइट क्लिक ऑन दैट थिंग एंड अनग्रुप ऑप्शन को सिलेक्ट कर लीजिए. सो इन दिस सिनेरियो entire set of tabs will be ungrouped. So you have learned how to group the tabs, how to ungroup the tabs. There are multiple tabs which are opened in your web browser, and if you want a particular tab to always open first, then you can pin that particular tab. How you can pin that tab, we'll learn it now. So आप कोई भी टैब को मान लीजिए, इसको आप फर्स्ट टैब को आप पिन करना चाहते हैं. सो व्हाट यू कैन डू, राइट क्लिक ऑन इट एंड देयर इज अ ऑप्शन कॉल्ड पिन. आप इसको पिन कर देंगे, द टैब विल स्क्वीज एंड इट विल ऑलवेज बी प्लेस्ड ओवर हियर. व्हेनेवर यू क्लोज दैट ब्राउजर एंड ओपन इट, दिस टैब विल ओपन फर्स्ट. सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन पिन दैट टैब. एंड इफ यू वांट टू अनपिन इट, राइट क्लिक ऑन इट एंड अनपिन द टैब. So this is one of the tricks. Let's move on to our next topic, how to mute any particular tab which is opened in your web browser. If you want to mute the sound which is coming out of the video from any of the tabs, what you can do, rather than going to the particular video, you can mute the tab itself. So let's see how you can do it. You can see a video is being played in one of the tabs, and this you can figure out with the audio symbol. So the audio symbol is showing from this tab, that means one of the video is being played in this particular tab itself. So rather than going to that particular video, what you can do, right click on this tab and you can mute the site. Once you mute the site, you can see the mute symbol is active now. So you will not be able to hear the sound which is coming out from that particular video. So this is how you can mute or unmute any particular video or site. Let's move on to our next topic. The next topic is whenever there are multiple tabs open in your web browser and you need to close down the web browser, and whenever you open the web browser, you want all the tabs to open again. So in that scenario, what you need to do, just go to the settings. सेटिंग्स आपको मिल जाएगा यहाँ पे राइट हैंड टॉप पे 3 डॉट्स बने हुए. जस्ट नीड टू क्लिक ऑन दैट एंड यू नीड टू कम टू सेटिंग्स. वंस यू कम टू सेटिंग्स, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड बॉटम में आपको मिलेगा ऑन स्टार्टअप. जस्ट क्लिक ऑन स्टार्टअप एंड यू विल फाइंड 3 ऑप्शन. द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज ओपन द न्यू टैब पेज, कंटिन्यू फ्रॉम वेयर यू लेफ्ट ऑफ, open a specific page or set of pages. So what you need to do, you need to select continue where you left off. This will give the instruction to the browser that you want to open all the tabs which were opened before you close down. So this is a very useful tip. I hope you liked it. Let's move on to our next topic, that is autofill. You must have seen in the websites when you try to fill the blanks, it automatically fills the blank. How it operates, so you can control the autofill thing. What you need to do, you need to go to settings, which again you need to click on three dots. Go to settings. The first option you will find as autofill. The moment you click on autofill, there are three options which are available: password, payment method, address, and more. You can edit and remove the options which are available. What you can do, you can just click on any of the options. Suppose I click address and more. You'll find a couple of addresses which are already filled for you. What you need to do, from the whenever you fill in the blank in the website, you just need to click the autofill button and then everything fills up automatically. You can control whatever you are filling. The options which are available over here can be edited or removed. So you need to click on three dots and then you'll find both the options, edit and remove. So whatever is suitable for you, you can choose that option. Let's move on to our next topic, which is one of the very important extensions. This extension you need to install for a Chrome browser. There are many tabs which are open. With this particular extension, all the tabs will be squeezed into one, and based on a requirement, you can just click on that particular tab and that will be opened and taken out from that squeeze set of tabs. We'll see how it is done. So for that, you need to go to your web store. What we'll do, we'll just type in Chrome Web Store. This will open this one. Just click on this and select extensions. In this first option, you'll find extensions. Just type one tab. The moment you click one tab, the first option you will find it. Just click on it and include in your extensions. It is already included in my extension, so it is showing remove from Chrome. So the moment you install it, it will be shown like this over here. You can see it has got very good reviews, and it reduces some 95% of the memory and reduces the tab clutter in Google Chrome. Now once it is installed, you'll find all the tabs are open, and the moment you click on one tab, all the tabs will be squeezed into one particular tab. You can see all the tabs have been included in one tab. So once all the tabs are squeezed in this tab, and if you require one of the particular tabs to be opened, so you need to just click on that particular tab and it will be taken out from this squeeze tab thing and opens over here. If you want to take out all the tabs which are squeezed inside the one tab option, what you need to do, you just need to click on restore all. The moment you click restore all the tabs will be restored. I hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, then do like, share and comment in the link below. You can motivate me by subscribing the channel and sharing the content with your friends. I'll come back with another such informative and tutorial videos very soon. Till then, goodbye.